Alright guys, 4-pill 2879 standard Carlbuilt, or as referred to a 400 HD. Sideband and just regular AM on this one. We're going to test it with this Ranger 69 VHP. Actually a used radio that I picked up. It does have some issues with it, but it will work for what we're wanting to use it for. And all we're going to use it for is to just to demo this guy. So 400 HD. Maximum drive you can put in, 125, 150 watts PEP. We'll show you what we're going to be swinging into it here, test it on AM and sideband. Now this one's not going to show a lot of average power because this radio doesn't do a lot of average power. So ideally you'd be putting 40 to 60 watts average into this, swinging that much. But this radio doesn't do that kind of power, so we're not going to see that out of it. So first things first, let's just check and get a general idea of what we're going to be putting into the amp here. We've got our bird over here, 100 watt slug. So that's going to be the bottom scale, and I'll go ahead and key it up. So what is that, about a 4 watt dead key or so? Hello? Swinging what, 15, 18 average. Again, it's not doing a lot of average power. Probably doing a good bit peak. Hello, audio check 1 2 3, and it's behaving just like an unmodified stock radio would. So if you don't get a radio optimized swing kit, peak and tune, whatever you want to call it, the average power will be way down like that, just like this one is. So not doing much average, but doing a good amount of PEP. And that was on AM. On sideband, check PEP on sideband. Audio check 1 2 3. See, it's not even doing 70 watts on sideband. About 60, maybe 70, close to 70 watts on sideband. So that's our reference for testing the amp. Let's go ahead and take that slug out of there, and we're going to put in the 1000, if you guys can see that. Alright, so now we've got the 1000 watt slug in. We're going to go ahead and turn the amp on. We'll test it first in AM mode. So this is AM, and again, average power is going to be low. Oh, so there you go, like 250 average. And remember, we're only swinging what, 16 to 18 average in. Now we'll go to PEP. Hello, this is AM, AM, PEP, AM, PEP, AM, 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 AM. So 900 watts PEP on AM for a reference. And now we will go to sideband. I'm just going to come back here, flip our sideband switch up. We're on upper sideband. Remember, about 60 to 70 watts going in. Bottom scale still. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, and about 800 watts PEP there. So yes, we are seeing less output out of it, but we're also putting a lot less into it. So 800 watts. And we'll come over here to the clamp meter just to get an idea of what we're drawing out of it here. Hello, 66 amps, and that's at 14.8 is what we're running at that. Audio, I'll say over 70 amps there at one time. So 65 to 70 amps is what it's drawing on sideband. Of course, it won't be drawing that much on AM because the average power is so low. But anyway, guys, that's it. This one is for Nathaniel. I want to test it with something different. Like I said, I got this radio in. Got a lot of used radios that'll be coming up for sale here soon. This one's got an issue with it. I wouldn't sell it the way it is. It's got a bad noise on the transmit and receive. So not 100% what's causing that, 100% sure, but we'll get that figured out and get this thing listed up for sale here soon. But the main focus of this video, Nathaniel's 400 HD, good running amp, should make him a nice one here. Again, I plan to have another one of these in pretty soon with sideband. Trying to keep one in stock all the time with sideband and 2 without. So I'm out of them right now, should be getting some more in soon. Carlbuilt 400 HD standard 2879s with sideband. Rooster in Tennessee. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Catch you guys out there. See you, bye.